Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking pirate from the new game Fall Guys. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this. So here's my sketch underneath, and to begin we're going to start out by drawing the face first. So this is just going to be one big circle. They don't have much of a face, it's just kind of like a circle and 2 eyes. Alright, and then from this circle, right in the middle here, come to the side. Let's draw one of his eyes. And let me shade that in real quick. And then now for the eye patch, so just come across. Let's draw one long line like this. And then on the bottom, just come all the way down to this point here. Okay, and then from here, just gonna draw one slant. From the corner here, just go up. And I'll continue this all the way down. And then just give that some line, some thickness. And then just give that line some thickness. And let me shade this in real quick so we can clean this up a little bit more. So the eye patch and the band is all black. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the face, and then now for the, I guess, the head and body. Come out to the top right over the circle. Just draw one curve all the way across first. And then on the side here, just kind of make it a little bit wider. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish up the hat. So just come back up right over his head right here. Just draw one curve. And on the side here, just curve out to almost right here. And then from this point, just curve into the head. So this is going back behind the head. So that's gonna be the shape of his hat. And I think for some detail right here, just add one little circle. And then there's a skull right here, but let's draw that in later. Let's go ahead and finish up the body first. So from here, we're gonna draw his shirt. Just slant in, right underneath the face. And then we'll continue this. Just go down a little bit more. This will be the side of his shirt. Come back inside here, just come down. And then we'll close this off, just round it out. Okay, and we'll add in the details later. Let's go ahead and finish up the body. Just come down slightly. So come in the center right here, I'm gonna draw his belt buckle. Just one line across. And then just come out here, just draw a long rectangle. And then on the inside, just another rectangle. And we can finish up the belt right here, just add one little loop. And then on the outside right here, we'll just connect this. Just go into the belt buckle. Alright, and then for the bottom, it's very simple. So we're just gonna draw in a big U shape here. We'll just connect this. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the shape of the body. Let's go ahead and add some detail to the clothing right here. So come right here to the corner. Just come down. Just angle up. And then right here, we'll add a little bit of detail right here. Just come down, just follow the line on the outside. And then same thing here. Okay, so just start right here. Just come down, out. Same thing here. Okay, so now let's draw on his arm. So let's draw on this side first. This one's got the hook. So his arm's gonna be right around here. Here's the armpit, just come down. We'll close that off. And then he's got a really big collar right here, or cuff. So I'm gonna extend the line and then just draw in a really big rectangle. And we'll add in 2 lines for the details inside. Okay, and then now for his hand, start on the bottom right here. Just one little hook. That's gonna be his thumb, and we'll add one little line there. On the back here, we're gonna start right around here. Come down, that's gonna be the back of the fist. And then we'll just curve this into the thumb. Okay, so let's draw on the other side. So this one's got the hook. So again, we're gonna start on the shoulder right around here. Just a slight curve. And then here's the armpit. Same curve, and we'll slant this way. So we're gonna have his arms going up. Okay, so now for the cuff. So I'm gonna extend the line. Then one big rectangle again. And the same thing here, just 2 lines. Just one curve right here. That's gonna be the base for the hook. And then let's add in 2 little dots right here. So the hook's gonna start here. I'm gonna start on the top one. Just curve. Just draw a little hook like this. So whatever curve you have here, we're gonna start right on the tip. And then from this tip, we're just gonna curve all the way around. Just go around the inside curve and then just connect back to the base. Alright, so that's the hook, and since we're up here, let's go ahead and finish up this little skull. We just keep it simple. I'm just gonna draw a circle. And then for the eye sockets, just 2 little dots. And then right here for the bones, I'm just gonna draw almost a little fingers. Okay, so that's the skull, and then lastly for the legs, super easy right here. So this one's just a stump. So I'll come out to the center right here. Let's draw on this side first. It's a little bit more complicated. So from the center, just go out right here. Come out to the side right here. So that's gonna be the beginning of his leg. We'll just slant down. Close it with a slight curve. And then on the inside, we're gonna come down. And then on this side, we'll come out just a little bit more. And then close that off. And then for the details, let's just add in 1 line in the center. And then just go up. And then 1 more, just follow the curve or the line. Just go all the way around. Alright, and then now for the stump. So again, from the center, just go out. I'll make a little point here. Let's make another one here. I'll start on the inside. I'll just slant down. Do right around here. This one's gonna come down here. Just leave a little bit of space and round that out. And that is it for this pirate guy from the Fall Guys. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.